Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I will show you a simple trick how you can add watermarks to your PDF documents free of charge, and all of that without using any software. So for example, if you'd like to add an additional layer of safety and security to your PDF document by adding a watermark, there's a simple trick how you can make that happen. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to a website called so.pdf, and here under homepage, click on online tools at the top, and on the next page, scroll down till you get to that feature here, add watermark. So what you want to do, guys, is upload your PDF document first. So locate it on your device, upload it, wait for the upload process to be finished. And after a moment, you will be given access to these options here. Add a watermark to a PDF file online in seconds. So guys, this is 100% free and this works 100% online. What you want to do, guys, is you either add a text watermark by entering the text here, like for instance, my document, or confidential. Let us go with confidential for demonstration purposes. Alternatively, guys, you may switch to file here and simply use an image or photo or background image as your watermark. You may do that as well. So let me go with that watermark text. You may also adjust, for instance, the font size here, or choose a rotation, the opacity level, and so on and so forth. So you can play around with the setups as much as you like. And once you're ready, guys, click on add watermark here to let Soda add the watermark to your document. So let me do that really quickly. After a moment, download or export the given watermark PDF file on your computer. So let me show you how it looks like now. And there you go. As you can see, we see that watermark in the background, confidential. And that's basically it. Super simple. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.